Of a Jolla. Let's see what's in the bag. What's this? Okay, I think this is the other half. Some special first one, other half. And what else do we have? Here's the actual phone. Whoops. And the receipt. Jolla. And let's open the box. How do you open it? Like this. Ah, it's sealed. Just a moment. I'll take something that I can open this with. Okay, here we go. The seal is broken and here is Jolla. Oh, please, come on. Here. Okay. Pull up. And here's the actual phone. In plastic. Some instruction manual. And what do we have inside? Ooh, thank you card. Cool. And some paper. I think this is the USB cable. Battery. Whoa, cool, with the Jolla logo. And yeah, the power supply. Okay, let's see, let's take the battery out. This is really cool. Yeah. And then we have the actual phone with white other half. It says open here. Okay. How do you open it? I don't have any nails, so this is quite hard for me. Okay. Yep. And how do you open this? With one arm or one hand? Just a moment. Okay, now it's open and I see it's missing the SIM card. I have my new DNA SIM card in my wallet. I used to have DNA, but now I got the micro SIM that the Jolla wants. And here's the micro SIM. It's my old, but they cut the SIM in the shop. And how do you insert the SIM? There's some picture. Yeah, like this, I think. And oh, please. Okay. There's the SIM. And then the insert the battery. And then the white other half. Okay. Where do you press it on? Maybe this button. Yeah, something's happening. It's saying Jolla. And I hope that the battery is recharged, that it has some capacity. Okay, it's saying Jolla again. Yep, it's booting. And here's the orange other half. I wonder if this has some special features. Poppy red limited edition. Okay, and the phone is booting. Oh no. Welcome. Okay, thank you. Your language, I will take Finnish. Okay. Slide. Finnish is my language. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Wait. I'll wait. I have time. Do-do-do-do. It's loading again. Please enter your PIN. Ooh, just a moment. Ready? And choose your favorite color. I'll take the, let's see, I'll take the blue one. Yep. Okay, what then? Approve. Okay, I can go back. I don't want to go back. I want to approve it. Time, I think it's okay. Approve.